Right, start. Hi guys, good evening. All right. Good evening, Lolibet. Good evening, Cancel. Good evening, Alan. Good evening, Edelo. Hello, RG. Ayan, balik si RG. Hello, Crystalline. Hello, Alan. Hello, Elisa. Hello, Elda. Hello, Edelo. Ayan. Good evening, Trisha. Good evening, Baby Jane. Good evening, Rachel. All right. Again, guys, I'm happy to see you again on this accounting quiz show. I'm very sorry last time that we had to cancel the accounting quiz show since medyo mahina kasi yung internet last time. So now it's a good time to connect and I'm happy to see you again. All right. Meron tayong mga kasali sa Zoom. So we have Christopher and then sining isa? Nawala yung isa. Ayan, si John Lloyd. Good evening, Christopher. Good evening, John Lloyd. All right. So it's 7:01 p.m. guys. So I think we can already start. Anyways, kumusta pala kayo guys? Just feel free to let me know kung okay naman kayo. Kasi nawalan tayo ng quiz last time. Nabuwasan yung stress ninyo ng konti, I think. Ayan. Anyways, welcome to the 11th Accounting Quiz Show. And of course, para dun sa mga bago, let me share to you my short introduction from myself. So actually, we have started this show from the 1st to the 10th, and now it's 11th Accounting Quiz Show. So para sa mga bagong kasali, I'm Ed, or Edgardo La Madrid. Ayan. For short, you can just call me Ed. And of course, kulang yung gabi kung hindi natin may introduce yung mga previous Accounting Quiz Show winners. So bigyan natin ng konting time, guys. Ayan. So for the first accounting quiz show, we have Nestor from Bicol State College of Applied Science and Technology, and John from Ateneo Dinaga University, and Jaya from Garcia College of Technology. So on the second accounting quiz show, we have Christopher or Tope from Bulacan Polytechnic College. And on the third, we have Monha from the National University of Manila. Medyo busy lang. Yan. Si Christopher medyo romantic. And then we have RG from Bulacan State University, which is present ngayon. Ang pagbabalik ni RG. Ayan. And on the fifth, panalo pa rin si RG. And nadagdagan po tayo si JV and Chesa from DFCAMCLP. And on the sixth, we have Nora Lynn from PUP Santa Maria, Bulacan. And on the seventh, we have Christian ayan, from University of Caloocan City. And on the 8th, we have Chesa again. Yan, pagbalik ni Chesa from DFCAMLCP. And on the 9th, yan, nagbalik si Christian. So 2 times winner na rin si Christian. And si Glance from Bulacan State University. Mga ka-friendship ni Christopher. Okay. And on the 10th, yung latest natin, we have Elda Magdula from SLSU or Southern Lady University San Juan Campus. Yan. Yan. Binilisan lang natin guys. And of course, mas lalong hindi makakompleto yung gabi kung hindi natin i-introduce yung mga participants for today's event. So, isa-isahin ko kayo guys ha. Bigyan natin ng mabilis na time para naman ma-introduce yung ating mga participants. Alright. So, ang nag-register po na total sa ating 11th accounting quiz show is 55 persons. So, we have We have from Southern Leyte State University, Ralph Pagangpang. Ayan. And then, Baby Jane, Asoy Feliminiano, Kier Martin Paug, and Idolo Madraso. Ayan. Those guys are from SLSU or Southern Leyte State University, San Juan Campus. And then we have Nichelle Cinco from Ateneo de Davao University. Wait lang, kumustahin natin? Good evening, Princess. Good evening, Monica. Ayan. Good evening, Alan. Sumasali sa quiz show habang nagpa-practice kami. Multitasking lang pag may time. Ayan. Very good. Chessa. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Chessa. Good evening, Alan. Alright. Sige. Continue ko, guys, ha. So we have Edelo Madraso from SLSU2 and then Marilu El Goyo, colleague of Edelo. Ayan. And then we have Jocelyn Lamoste, Jessa May Hagna, Nessie Baltasar, Kate Hazel Siblag, Christine Flor Galeno, Elisa, Annalie Obrial, Ivy Managbanag, Eureka Cabaltica, Romelyn Resus, and then Kyle Sabsalon, Jenny M. Alute, Alan Jacob Angeles, Baby Jane Asoy Feliminiano, Trisha May Gamolo, Bethany Faye Loris Mendoza, Roda Sahut, Janelle Ballesteros, Missy Campanya, Alvin Mercado, Maria Monica Paula Diaz, Hazel Bajao, Christine Jane Clerigo, Baby Cheryl Gregana, Christine Jane Clerigo, doble, John Lloyd Niala, Nicole I. Garzon from SLSU. Yeah. Mga taga SLSU po, marami. So nag-invite siguro yung mga friends nila or your teachers nila so to join this event. Ayan. May nag-join po na medyo mahaba yung pangalan sa Zoom. Hindi ko po i-admit ha. Kasi hindi proper yung name niya. Parang baka hacker to. Si 14X0N mahaba. Ayan. So hindi ko po siya i-admit ha. Sa YouTube na lang po kayo mag-join para maka-view kayo ng event. Okay? So si Leia Del Rosario and Maria Happy Makasukol, Jean Ria T. Edol, Diana Shaney A. Vinculado, Pamela Calas Donaire, Nicole Aya A. Garzon, Zairine Dawat, Chantal Batilier, Mary Grace of Gamana, and then Elda Magdula, Joanna Elec, Shenet M. Ihido, Diana Kapua, Kevin Clark Duarte, Tony Rose Paas Pakukilya, Mary Rose Daran, Hanelit Gases, Mary Angel Fegi Tesado, Princess Paula Lim, Jamaica Sarsale, Maria Juliet Bautista, and Julie Ann Marian Gato, and Hadi Jean Bacus Paho. Yan. Those guys are from SLSU. So ang dami ng mga taga-SLSU. Ayan. And then of course we have the previous winner, RG Emplamado. Ayan. Ang pagbabalik ni RG. Alright. Let's now proceed guys to the mechanics para naman ma-explain ko ulit. So ito yung mechanics last time, no? Hindi ko na lang inedit. Pero ibabalik na po natin siya today sa Accounting Upgrade website. Yan, dito na tayo. Dito na tayo, guys. Last time kasi ito yung ginamit nating kabila, which is yung paunahan. Which is ito sana yung gagamitin ko ulit ngayon. Kaya lang, since marami na ulit yung nag-join, ibalik natin dito sa Accounting Upgrade na website. So ang checking po natin ngayon is same as last time. All answers will be automatically checked and will be given a corresponding point for each correct answer. So a timer will be set to answer each question, and if ever merong mag-tie, I have prepared the tie-breaking questions, which is hindi pa natin nagagamit from the previous events. Okay? So punta muna tayo ngayon sa accountingupgrade.com website para ma-explain ko yung yung gagawin para dun sa mga bago. Anyways, check ko muna guys kung sino yung may mga questions before tayo mag-start ng event. Let me just check yung ating chat box. Okay? So, good evening, Kier. Good evening, Mary Grace. Good evening, Baby Jane. Good evening, Monica. Good evening, Princess. Good evening, Chessa. Good evening, Lorena. Good evening, Cyrene. Rachel May Baluka, also from SLSU here. Ayan. Good evening, everyone. Kensel Lawas, ang hirap sir ng 5 participants sa chat box. Kasi iba-iba po yung chat box natin. Okay. Ayan. Good evening, Christine. Ayan. Okay. Ready na guys. I think wala namang masyadong tanong. Sige, i-present ko ngayon yung website ng accountingupgrade.com. Alright. Let's go to the website of accountingupgrade.com. So nandito tayo ngayon sa link na nakapin dun sa YouTube chat box. So https accountingupgrade.com 11th accounting quiz show. Ayan. So dito sa baba makikita nyo na nandito naman yung YouTube event natin. So kung gusto nyo dito na lang kayo sa page na to, pwede rin naman para mas madali yung ma-view yung questions and as well as mag-answer. Kasi nandito po sa baba yung interface para mag-answer. Ayan. So kung gusto niyo Kung gusto niyo mag-chat, andito rin naman po yung chat box. Napalitan lang, okay na to kanina. Ayan. Andito lang yung chat box. Edit ko later. Wait lang. Ayan. So ito po, ang ditong sample is yung hindi actual. So ito yung sample natin, Night Accounting Quiz Show. So ang gagawin po natin, just click start and then indicate yung username ninyo. For example, accounting, for example, Edgardo, and then add nyo yung email ninyo. For example, info@accountingupgrade.com. And then yung phone number. Ayan. So after nyan, just click next and mapupunta na po kayo dun sa interface para mag-answer ng question para dito sa event na ito. Okay? So when you click through, for example, and then click next, ito na yung magiging answer ninyo after nyo i-submit yung answer sa quiz. Okay? Question. Meron bang question? So 1 to 12 po yung questions natin. After 12, makikita niyo yung submit button. So hindi ko na siya gagawin ngayon since next lang naman yung button na makikita niyo dito sa baba. Okay? So later on, after nyan, ipopost natin yung lahat ng sagot ninyo from 1 to 12 and makikita niyo isa-isa yung result ninyo. And of course, i-add din natin dito sa page yung updated na results. Yung nandito ay sample lang para makita nyo lang yung result from last time. So kung after nating matapos yung quiz show, after kong i-discuss yung mga answers, i-update po natin ito para makita ninyo yung result ng event real time. And para wala na kayong iniisip before kayo matulog, okay? Question guys, meron ba kayong tanong? Sir, dito na lang po kami sa YouTube chat box magsagot po. Okay po. No problem po. Questions. Sige. Let's give some seconds. Baka may mga question pa kayo. And then after nun, i-update ko na po yung interface para makapag-answer na tayo. May error yata yung YouTube chat box ngayon. So hindi siya gagana sa website. Kanina working na ito eh. Kaya lang biglang nag-error. Ayan. So I think yung YouTube chat box na lang talaga yung gamitin ninyo. Okay. Question po. Just raise your question before we formally start yung event. Good evening, Teltel. Good evening, Tricia. Okay, let's go back to the slides para naman mabasa natin yung mga categories. So habang naghihintay ako ng mga tanong ninyo, let's go to the quiz categories. So actually, the quiz will be composed of the easy level, average level, and difficult level. Yeah. So sa easy level, true or false, average level, multiple choices, and difficult level, identification, or it depends. Depends sa construction ng question. So for the easy level, 1 point, average level, 2 points, and difficult level, 3 points. So if ever meron kayong hindi sure or nagpamali kayo sa easy level or average level, don't worry, meron pang difficult level. Okay? All right, are you ready guys for the first question? Meron na bang nagtanong sa ating chat box? Let's see. YouTube chat box po ang gagamitin natin. YouTube chat box po. Ayan. YouTube chat box. I-chat ko sa YouTube chat box. YouTube chat box. Okay. Question ba po before we formally start? Bali first 5 answers po ulit. Hindi po. Ay, sorry. Ano ba? Mali na chat ko. YouTube chat box. Remove ko po Hindi po. Accounting upgrade website po ang gagamitin natin. Nakapin po yung link sa quiz sa website. Click nyo lang po yung link na nasa taas. Nakita nyo na po ba yung link sa website? Click nyo po yung link sa taas 11th Accounting Quiz Show. Copy na po ba? Pupunta po kayo dito sa link na to. Ayan, accountingupgrade.com website. I-chat ko ulit sa chat box para makita ninyo. Ayan. So dito po tayo mag-answer. Okay na po ba? Clear na po? So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is i-update ko na yung interface para maka-start na tayo ng event. So from 9th Accounting Quiz Show, gagawin ko na po siyang 11th Accounting Quiz Show. So just refresh your page and then start na kayo na mag-answer or maglagay ng username, email, and phone number. So let me know kung okay na kayong maglagay nun so that we can already start. Okay? Just let me know, guys. Kindly refresh lang po yung page. Chat ko po para sa mga lumalabo yung signal. Refresh lang po yung page ng accounting upgrade para mabago yung interface to 11. Ayan. Okay? Okay na po ba? Just let me know kung okay na para maka-start na tayo, guys. Alright, alright. Anyways, the first question is on the easy level. So, true or false? Yeah. But before we start, wait lang po. Let's check kung meron pang comment. Okay, siguro nag-fill up na kayo, no? Sir, pa-send po ng link dito po. Ayan, send ko. Okay, okay na po ba? Sige, let's wait for some seconds. Kung may mag-comment na po, yung email ko po hindi gumagana, kaya po number na lang at username ang nilagay ko, sir. Ayan. Okay lang naman. Kaya lang paano kita ma-identify later? John Lloyd Niala. So siguro John Lloyd na lang yung gawin mong username. Okay, okay na daw. Ayan. I think we can already start the quiz, guys. So let's go to the first question of this accounting quiz show. Okay? Easy level, true or false? So by the way, guys, yung topic natin, I have posted it naman sa YouTube community. So you can check yung community natin para lang may background kayo sa susunod na topic. So ang topic po natin ngayon is all about loan receivables. So the first question is, at initial recognition, an entity shall measure a loan receivable at fair value plus transaction costs that are directly attributable to the acquisition of the financial asset. The question is true or false? Okay, next question. Joke. Wait lang. Tingnan natin kung nakasagot na si... sorry. Okay na po ba for the first question? Okay. Next question. Okay na ba for the first question? Anyway, guys, let me just remind it again. So, ang gagamitin po natin is accountingupgrade.com website. So, first is you need to register on the interface where we need to answer the question. So, put your username and then email and phone number. And then after that, just click start and mapupunta na po kayo dun sa question number 1. So question number 1 is true or false. So just click true or false. Okay? Meron na bang tapos or meron pa ba kayong inaasikaso ngayon na registration or okay na tayo with the question number 1? Let me know, guys, if you're already fine with the question number 1. Question number 1. I think tahimik na po. So we can go now to question number 2. Tahimik na. Okay na, sir. Yan. Yan. Tapos na daw si Elda. Naka-winner na naman. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2 is true or false? The fair value of the loan receivable is normally the transaction price, meaning the amount of the loan granted. That is the question number 2. True or false? So, baka basic lang to kay Elda. So, true or false? Let me just read it again para doon sa mga mahina yung signal. Baka meron kasi ngayong minsan kasi down yung smart or globe. Okay, so number 2, the fair value of the loan receivable is normally the transaction price, meaning the amount of the loan granted. Okay, that is the question number 2. Anyways, meron ba kayong question or comment? Wala. So I think everyone is doing well and naiinip na dahil wala nang nagko-comment. So let's go, guys, to question number 3. Question number 3. Direct and indirect origination costs shall be included in the measurement of the loan receivable. The question is true or false? May nag-chat po. True, sir. Bagal po kanina nung smart. Oo nga. Ayan. Okay. The question number 3. So far, wala namang nagko-comment, bilateral action, or any recommendation. So I think we can go now to question number 4. Janil Wordness, good evening. Good evening po. Ayan. Okay na, okay na? Basic. Wala nagko-comment. Sige, question number 4. So the origination fees received from the borrower are called direct origination cost. Ayan. So that is the question number 4. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, maikli lang yung questions natin ngayon as compared from the last accounting quiz show. But of course, the topic is still there and it's very helpful kung nagre-review kayo ng board. Or kahit hindi naman nagre-review ng board, para lang ma-refresh kayo if ever merong mga other accounting quiz shows or maybe masipag lang talaga kayo mag-aaral. Anyways, helpful siya for your subjects or even support exam. Yeah. So just let me know if you have any question para ma-address natin habang nag-proceed tayo sa questions. And para mag-stop ako saglit. Okay? If walang questions, that means naladalian kayo. And I just go on proceeding to the next question. Okay? So now, wala namang comment. So I think we can go to question number 5. Question number 5. Average round. Ayan. So kung meron kayong hindi sure from the easy level, don't worry because meron pa pong average level. So on the average level, this will consist of 2 points per correct answer. So the question number 5 on the average level is the amortized cost is the amount at which the loan receivable is measured initially except letter A minus principal repayment, letter B plus the amortization of the difference if the initial amount recognized is lower than the principal amount, letter C plus the amortization of the difference if the initial amount is higher than the principal amount, letter D minus reduction for impairment or uncollectibility, and letter E plus or minus the cumulative amortization of any difference between the initial carrying amount and the principal maturity amount. And letter F, all of the above. Letter G, except C and D. Letter H, except A, B, and C. And letter I, none of the above. Yeah. Sorry guys, medyo napahaba yung choices natin. Anyways, this will consist of the average level. So if ever your answer is correct, you have 2 points. Ayan. Basahin ko ba ulit para sa mga nahabaan or I'll just give you some time to answer. Okay. And so far, wala pa naman nagko-comment. So I think we can proceed to the next question. Just let me know kung mabilis ba ako or mabagal para naman hindi kayo mainip or para naman hindi kayo mabilisan. Ayan. Timplahin lang natin, guys. Okay. So far, wala naman pong questions, clarifications, violent reaction. So, I think we can go now to question number 6. Question number 6 na. Wala nang tanong. Ayan. Okay, tapos na si Christopher. Nag-like na. Parang basic na naman kay Tope. Okay, question number 6. The journal entry to record the origination fees received from the borrower is, of course, medyo conceptual po tayo ngayon. So, letter A, debit cash and credit unearned interest income. Letter B, debit unearned interest income and credit cash. Letter C, debit cash and credit loan expense. Letter D, debit cash and credit bank charges. Letter E, debit cash and credit interest income. And letter F, debit cash and credit expenses classified according to the various natures of each items. Okay. So the question number 6 is multiple choices. Yeah. So let me know kung meron na bang nag-comment. Wala pa rin. Basic talaga yata yung ginawa kong question ngayon. Sorry guys, di ko na-meet yung expectation ninyo. Hanapan ko next time. Sorry. Ayan. So just let me know guys if you have any question para ma-address natin. Alright. So let's give some seconds para naman maka-answer yung iba and yung nagbabasa pa. Ayan. Alright. Anyways, dun sa mga tapos na, kumusta naman kayo guys? Kailan lang start ng inyong pasukan? Ayan. Walang gustong sumagot. Joke lang. Busy sila. Ayan. Let's give some seconds para naman makapag-refresh kayo ng knowledge sa loan receivable. August pa po ata kami, sir. Tagal pa pala. July. Mga 15 days pa. Alright. I think we can go now to question number 7. Wow, August 15. Isang buwan pa. Allen. Isang buwan pa para magsali sa accounting quiz show. Joke. Ayan. Anyways, invite kayo guys ng mga participants for the next accounting quiz show para mas marami kayong kalaban. And of course, yung kalaban ninyo, that's your new friend also. Hindi nyo naman siya totally kalaban. Wala pang official dates, sir. Anyways, it's August, so good luck again sa inyo. Gaaral naman kayo ng todo-todo. Ayan. Anyways, I think we can go now to the next question. Next question, question number 7. The following statements are true about loans receivable except letter A, 12-month expected credit losses is recognized under the stage 1 and 2 of the 3-stage impairment approach. Letter B, under the stage 3, a lifetime expected credit losses is recognized. Letter C, under stage 3, interest income is computed based on the net carrying amount, which is equal to the face amount minus allowance for loan impairment. And letter D, under stages 1 and 2, interest income is computed based on the gross carrying amount or face amount. Yeah. So that is the question number 7. Yeah. So meron naman tayong question ngayon na para mabuo yung loan receivable natin. Meron tayong question, of course, sa three-stage impairment approach. All right. So let's give some seconds to answer this question. Okay. By the way, guys, don't forget na makapag-add kayo ng mga new friends, para naman meron kayong mga bagong kakilala. Since madalas naman tayong magkita-kita dito sa accounting quiz show, mag-add kayo ng friends, Add nyo rin ako. Joke. All right. Questions, clarifications, violent reaction. Wala. Okay, I think we can go now to question number 8. Basic, naiinip na yata ang lahat. Question number 8. Okay, difficulty level na po. So the question number 8 to 12 will consist of 3 points per correct answer. So kung meron kayong hindi sure or na-miss sa easy and average round, don't worry kasi meron pa po tayong difficult round. So sa difficult round, again, 3 points. So may pag-asa pa, okay? So let me read, guys, the question number 8. So the question number 8 is, Loveland Bank granted a loan to Ralph on January 1, 2022, amounting to 4 million pesos with an interest rate of 10% payable every December 31. The loan matures in 5 years. Loveland Bank received a 350,000 pesos origination fee from Ralph. Meanwhile, Loveland Bank paid a 61,500 origination fees. The effective interest of the loan turns out to be 12% after considering the origination fees. The question is, what is the carrying amount of the loan on January 1, 2022? And of course, meron tayong questions na juries and meron din tayong question na competition. So that makes our loan receivable topic the questions for this accounting quiz show. And of course, hindi lang naman loan receivable, hinaluan din po natin siya ng appetizer from capital budgeting na questions. And of course, yung assignment ko last time, nandito po siya ngayon. Although hindi ko naman sinabi last time kung ano yung tanong ko dun sa previous problem natin. Okay, question. Meron bang question? Good evening, Job Hurt. Job Hurt Singson. Oy, kapamilya yata kita. Kamag-anak pala, kaano pala, kilala. All right. Question number 9. Go na. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions, or let me know if you can already proceed to question number 9. Yan. Baka naiinip na kayo, just let me know. Baka basic lang to kay Archie, baka naiinip na si Archie or si Tupe. Walang comment. Clean po ang ating chat box. So I think we can go to question number 9. Mama po talaga yan si Kuya RG. Ikaw din naman? Ikaw din naman, Christopher? Galing ka rin naman sa accounting. Hindi kaya, sir? Hindi ba? We? Yung pong hindi ko ina-accept sa Zoom, yung mahaba yung pangalan, join na lang po kayo sa sa YouTube. Okay? Or you can change naman yung name ninyo para ma-admit po kayo sa Zoom. Okay lang po? Pag mahaba kasi yung pangalan, later on nagkakaroon ng mga sulat-sulat sa Zoom. Hinahack tayo. Magagaling yung hacker natin na hack yung Zoom. Okay, I think wala naman ang nagtatanong for the question number 8. So, let's proceed to question number 9. Question number 9. And of course, it is related naman sa question number 8. So, binago ko lang yung tanong. So, the question is, what amount should be recognized as interest for 2022? Same lang po yung tanong kahit di nyo nabasahin. Same lang nung kanina. Alright, question number 9. What amount should be recognized as interest for 2022? Let's see kung meron ng mga questions sa chat box para naman ma-address natin before tayo mag question number 10. Wala pa rin. Sir, wait. Okay, I'll wait. Yun, may nag-comment na rin. May decimal po ba? Aha. Let me check lang, guys, Saglit. What amount should be recognized as interest for 2022? Wait lang po sa decimal. Check ko lang. Wait lang po. Let me just check it. For a while lang po, saglit lang. We are on a question number 9. Wala naman po siyang decimal. Wala po siyang decimal. Okay, i-chat ko sa chat box para dun sa mga hindi dun sa humina ang signal bigla para marinig nila. So, wala pong decimal. Ayan. Okay? Question ba po for the question number 9? Of course, sa number 8, wala pong decimal. Exact lang po yung amount. Wag po muna kayo mag-proceed sa question 10. Alright po. let's give around 3 minutes pa for the question number 9. So let's go to the question number 10 at 7:42. Ayan. Okay. Kung may mga tapos na po, just let me know para naman makita ko na na pwede na mag-proceed. Oh, tapos na daw si Christopher. Galing talaga ni Christopher. Ano basic na naman ni Christopher. So may 2 minutes pa naman guys. So don't worry. Hula lang yun, sir. We? Anong hula? Di nga. Kami niniwala, Christopher. Joke lang. Anyways, we still have 2 minutes, guys. So you can just recheck your computation. Huwag kayo magpamali, ah. Huwag niyo gayahin si Jessa na okay lang magpamali. Kasi perfect naman yung ibang tanong. So anyways, I'd like to express my thank you again para sa mga taga-SLSU. Ang dami niyo ulit ngayong event. Ilan ba kayong magka-classmates sa SLSU? Marami ba yung yung section or block sa SLSU? Mga studios ang atin pong mga kalahok sa SLSU. And of course, studios din naman sila RG, Kensel, Christopher, at yung mga hindi ko nabanggit. Yeah. Marami pang ibang mga studios. Later, makikita mo na lang nasa inyo pala yung top 10. Wow. Dahil mga studios kayo. Isang section na lang po kami, sir. Oh? Talaga? Okay, may. Ibig sabihin marami kayo sa sa isang section. Mga around 40 to 50. So by the way, it's already 7:42, so we can proceed to question number 10. Question number 10. Ito po yung continuation nung question natin from last time. But this time, iba na yung tanong natin. The question is all about IRR. So from last time, payback period, and then next is NPV. This time, we have an IRR. So alam ko na meron kayong violent reaction for this question, but unfortunately, ito po yung question natin. Okay, so the question is, BEA is evaluating 2 mutually exclusive projects with details as follow. Year 0, cash flow of negative 325,000 for project A, and then 43,000, 51,000, 69,000, and 480,000 pesos from year 1 to 4. So positive cash flow. And then for project B, year 0, negative 30,000, and then 15,800, 13,100, 12,700, and 9,700 from year 1 to year 4. So BEA requires a 15% return on its investment. And the question is, using the IRR criterion, which investment will you select? Alam ko meron kayong violent reaction for this question, but sorry na lang guys. Pag-usapan natin mamaya sa presinto. Joke. Okay. So for the question number 10, bigyan po natin ng around mga 3 minutes before tayo mag-proceed to question number 11 and 12. So by the way, yung question number 11 and 12 is related naman dito. So i-compute nyo na talaga guys. Okay? So you can use whatever you want, calculator na manual or scientific calculator or even Excel. Or kung meron kayong mga other device, pwede rin naman. Okay. Questions, clarification, violent reaction. Wait lang po, sir. Waiting po. Okay, next question. Joke lang. Sir, wait lang po. Okay. Wait. Yes, willing to wait po. May decimal places po pala. So next question, 2 decimal. So yung mga previous question, walang decimal places. Yung next question po, i-announce ko lang in advance. Meron pong 2 decimal places. Para hindi ma-miss ng iba. Anyways, alam ko naman na i-compute niyo yung yung IRR niyan. So, I think we can go now to question number 11 and 12. So actually, the question number 11 is all about, balikan na lang natin yung question number 10 na. Compute the IRR for project A. And question number 12, compute the IRR for project B. Ayan. So 11, 12, project A, project B. Compute nyo lang yung IRR. Okay? So that ends our accounting quiz show. Kindly click submit na guys so that we can already check yung result ng 11th accounting quiz show. Joke, nagmamadali ako. Joke lang. Willing to wait po. Yung question number 11 po is, what is the IRR for project A? Ayan. And yung question number 12, what is the IRR for project B? Number lang po yung susulat ninyo. Nakalagay naman na po dito yung in percentage. Okay? So question number 10. Aling investment daw yung isa-select ninyo? Project A or Project B? Questions, clarifications, violent reaction, recommendation, advice on the next accounting quiz show. Kung ano mga tanong, pwede rin. Pero hindi po natin masusunod. Baka lang. Actually, ito kasing topics natin is ina-align natin dun sa ginagawa kong course. Online course lang naman siya, which is topic by topic siya. For example, yung mga nauna nating topic, basic accounting, and recording, ganon. And then ito naman, cash and cash equivalent, and then presentation of financial statements. And now, we are here on the loans receivable. Ayan. So kung mapapansin ninyo, medyo malalapit lang yung mga topic. But of course, sinahaluan natin ang ibang topic para naman may appetizer kayo. Baka maboring kayo sa isang topic. Okay? So question number 10 is all about which investment will you select based on the IRR criterion? Okay? So let me know if you're already fine with questions 10, 11, and 12. So bigyan natin ng around mga 3 minutes pa. 7:51. So anyways, naka-slides naman yung mga answer. Mabilis natin siya madi-discuss. Since naputol tayo ng isang Friday, ayan, nagawa ko na siya ngayon. Nagawa ko na yung yung answer, yung solution. And of course, nabawasan ko yung stress ninyo last week. Ngayon ulit yung stress ninyo. Ayan. Questions, clarifications. Meron ba? Sinong tapos na? Please raise your hand. Or please click. Or please let me know sa YouTube chat box. Sa Zoom, just raise your hand or you can comment din. Sir, pwede 10 minutes pa po. Wala. Baka 9 tayo matapos. Inaalala mo pa. Sige, ano naman, mga ilang minutes pa. Question number 11 is what is the IRR for project A? And question number 12, what is the IRR for project B? Ayan. 10, 11, and 12 is all about the IRR for this question. Okay? Alright. May question pa po ba? Sir, please wait. Yes po, waiting po. Okay, just let me know if may finish na so that after mga ilang minutes, 7:52 or 7:53, 7:59. Sige, pag may tapos na po, next na tayo. Mga 7:53. Baka nahihiya lang kasi yung iba tapos na. Magpamali ka naman, cancel. Baka perfectin mo na eh. Sorry, naglag po cellphone ko. Sige po, ano naman, 7:53 pa naman. Kindly click refresh lang po yung yung phone niyo. Sir, biglang nag-start po ulit ang form po kung saan po ako sumagot. Sige po, okay lang naman po mag-ulit. Anyways, let's set lang ng limit para dun sa sa number of times na pwedeng umulit. Limit na po is 3 times lang pwede mag-ulit. Nade-detect po ng system yung mga ulit. Ayan. So, binago po natin ngayon yung flow. So, yung result is hindi na po ninyo siya makikita kung uulitin ninyo yung pag-answer ng question. Ang makikita nyo na lang po ngayon is yung actual score ninyo. Wala na yung whether tumama ba yung letter A or letter B. Ganun. So, okay lang na umulit. But, ilimit lang po natin sa 3 para hindi dumami yung yung i-check. And of course, para naman hindi kayo mag-stress mag-ulit-ulit. Okay, meron na po bang tapos? We still have 1 minute pa naman. Ayan. 7:52 going to 7:53. Kung may tapos na po, wag nang mahiya. Just let me know so that we can already proceed to checking yung result ng event. Ayan. Wag mo nang perfect NRG. Baka pina-perfect mo na. The question number 11. Ayan. Compute the IRR for project A. And question number 12, compute the IRR for project B. Sir, mahina signal ni Kate. Ayan. Hindi ko na-aral yung IRR. Sorry, binigla ko kayo sa question. Ayan. Okay. 7:53 na. So, kindly click submit na, guys. Baka nahihiya lang kayo. So, kindly click submit na yung result para naman makapag-check na tayo. So, let me know kung may mga nakapag-submit na po ng result so that I can already extract the accounting quiz show result. Okay? After extracting, yun na po yung ating magiging final na result. Wala na pong adjustment. So, please click submit na. Alright? Submit na po. Submit na. So I'll count from 7:55 siguro. I-extra ko na. So 7:55. Extract natin yung result. Para naman makatulog na yung iba. Alam kong inaantok na kayo. Joke lang. Aga pa. Baka mag-aaral pa si Tupe. Baka mag-aaral pa si Chesa or si Kate. So 7:55, extra ko na po ha. So para makasama kayo sa result. 7:55. Okay. It's 7:55 na guys. So let's track the result. Submitted na po ha. Sure na, wala nang violent reaction. Hindi na po masasama yung result ninyo. Ang hirap ng IRR, sir, and even yung cash flow. Yes, alam ko po mahirap. Sorry, pinahirapan ko kayo. Ayan. Pero meron yan. May makakatama niyan, for sure. Hindi pala sure. Anyways, extra ko na po ha. Sorry na lang kung hindi masama yung answer ninyo ha. Okay, extra ko na po. Pa-wait lang. So refresh and then export na yung answer. Wala na pong violent reaction ha. Ina-extra ko na siya. Sige, isang refresh pa para naman for the sake of may nagsasubmit pa rin. May isa pa rin nag-submit. May isa pa rin po nag-submit. Paki-submit na po yung yung answers ninyo. Alright. I think wala na. So extract na natin. Export answers. Ina-extra ko na po ah. And then later, i-show ko na yung mga answer ninyo. Just wait for a while po ah. Huwag mainip. Maaga pa. Huwag mo nang matulog. Hide natin lang yung mga personal details para naman okay yung ninyo. Ayan. Nakikita ko po merong naka 76%. Yeah. May naka 64%. May naka 76%. Aha, may tie breaking yata. Oh, may naka 96%. Ayan, exciting to guys. Let's check na yung answer. May naka 96% na. I'm so happy. Okay. Let's go back to the question part guys para ma-explain ko sa inyo for short. Quickly. Anyways, let me check yung chat box natin. Cancel. NPB at payback lang na aral ko dito sa capital budgeting. Akala ko yun yung itatanong. Sorry, cancel. Galing ng assignment ko, no? Ayan. Anyways, let's go back to the question para ma-discuss natin. So on the easy round at initial recognition, so number 1 po is, tingnan natin yung answers ninyo. Sino ang tama for the question number 1? So sabi ni Nicole, true daw. Maria, true. May nag-false. Sabi ni Channel, true. Ayan. So ang tamang sagot po is true. Ayan, maraming tumama. Very good. Si Missy, true. Ayan. Si Rhea, false. Hide natin si accounting. Ako yan. So the question number 1 po is true and wala po tayong inedit na kakaiba. Ayan. So at initial recognition, fair value po talaga plus transaction costs that are directly attributable to the acquisition of the financial asset. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2, ano po ang sagot? Tingnan natin, ang sabi ni Maria, false. Ayan. Ang sabi ni Ralph, true. Tingnan natin kung sino ang tama. Medyo marami po ang true. So for the question number 2, the fair value of the loan is normally the transaction price, meaning the amount of the loan granted. Ayan. Yes, true po ang sagot. And for the question number 3, anyways, kung meron kayong clarification or violent reaction, just feel free to let me know before mag-end yung event. So kung meron na kayong tanong ngayon, just feel free na mag-chat sa YouTube chat box para ma-address po natin. Kung meron kayong doubt, just let me know para ma-address po natin before mag-end yung event. Pag mag-end na po yung event, final na po yung ating quiz show. So wala nang hahabol na magsasabi na teka lang, ako yung tama or ako yung mali. Okay? So anyways, for number 3, ang sagot po is false. Yung mga indirect origination cost po is hindi na po natin sinasama sa measurement ng loan. Expense na po agad. So let's see kung sino ang mga tumama for question number 3. Ayan, sabi ni Chanel, true daw. Ayan, medyo maraming tumama. May ilan lang pong nag-overthink siguro. Siyempre, ang mga accountancy, mga tatalino yan. Minsan nag-overthink yan eh. Joke lang. Ayan. So false po ang tamang sagot. Ayan. Okay? Question number 4. So just let me know guys habang nagbabasa pa ako ng mga question kung meron kayong clarification or violent reaction. Okay? But anyways, I will proceed na para matapos na tayo and para hindi ko na kayo maabala. Question number 4. The origination fees received from the borrower are called direct origination costs. Ang answer po natin is, anong answer? True or false? Ano pong answer? So, ang sabi ni Nicole, true daw. Ang sabi ni Channel, false. Ang sabi ni Cheryl, false. Sino kaya ang tama? Sino si Kay? Ang sabi ni Chan Lloyd, false. Yan. So, ang tamang sagot po is, ano po? False po. Origination fees po ang tawag doon. Ayan. Question number 5. On the average level. So medyo pinahaba ko yung question number 5, pero ang sagot po is letter C, plus the amortization of the difference if the initial amount is higher than the principal amount. So bakit po? Kasi yung initial amount is higher, dinededuct po natin. Binabalik po natin siya dun sa carrying amount or dun sa face value ng loan. Okay? So hindi po siya letter D, E, F. Medyo ginulo ko lang yung mga choices para mahirapan kayo. And of course, dahil meron tayong time constraint, baka hindi niyo mabasa yung baka hindi niyo masyadong ma-analyze yan. Okay, question number 6. The journal entry to record the origination fees received from the borrower is letter A po, debit cash and credit and earned interest income. So let's check kung sino na ang mga tumatama. Ayan. So sabi ni Kay, debit cash and credit interest income. Ayan. Very good. Very good. Ayan. Ano lang yan, nag-overthink lang. Pero very good pa rin ang lahat. Unearned interest income po, ina-amortize po siya. Yun yung tanong natin sa question number 5. Okay? Questions, clarifications, parent reaction. Sir, di ba mali rin po yung letter B? Letter B? Let's check po kung mali yung letter B. Letter B. Ito po. So number 5, plus the amortization of if the initial amount recognized is lower than the principal amount. Tama po. Plus the amortization of the difference if the initial amount is higher than the principal amount. Aha. Sige, balikan kita later. Ayan. Balikan kita later, Cancel. I-continue muna natin yung yung mga previous, yung mga next question para hindi tayo maabala. Ayan. So let's go guys to question number 7. Question number 7. The following statements are true about loans receivable. So ang sagot po sa question number 7 is A. Stage 1 only for the 12-month expected credit losses. So let's check kung sino na yung mga tumama sa question number 7. Tingnan natin kung sino na ang winning. So sino na ang winning guys? Winning na ba? Kenzel? Ayan. Question number 7. Let's see. Sabi ni... Ayan. So sabi ni Patricia under stage 3. So ang sagot po is a 12-month expected credit losses is recognized under the stage 1 and 2 of the 3-stage impairment approach. Ayan. Okay, question number 8. Basahin po natin yung question number 8 para naman doon sa mga binilisan ko kanina is ma-catch up yung question. Nagmamadali ako kanina eh. Ayan. Let's give some time para basahin po ninyo yung question. So, Lublin Bank granted a loan to Ralph on January 1, 2022 amounting to 4 million with an interest rate of 10% payable every December 31. The loan matures in 5 years. Ayan. So, the question is, what is the carrying amount of the loan? So, add lang natin yung loan for 1 million and then yung origination fee received, deduct natin. Plus yung direct origination cost, yun na po yung carrying amount. So, let's give lang ng time para ma-catch up ng iba. Medyo binilis na natin kanina eh. Ayan. Okay? So, di ko na-aral talaga yan. Yung NPP. Ay, sorry. Sorry po. So, yung question number 8 po is basahin muna po ninyo ng saglit para kung meron kayong clarification or any comment, ma-address po natin. Okay? So let me give some some seconds lang. Okay. So the question number 8 po is, what is the carrying amount of the loan? Okay? So ito po yung solution niya. You can screenshot na lang po kasi nabasa ko na kanina. Okay? So, add lang po natin yung loan and then deduct natin yung origination fee received from the borrower, direct origination cost add, and then yun na po yung carrying amount. Okay? Questions, clarifications, parent reaction? Wala. Okay. Question number 9. So, what amount should be recognized as interest expense for 2020 as interest for 2022, not interest expense. Okay? So as I have mentioned, kaparehas lang siya ng question number 8. Binago ko lang yung tanong. So ang sagot po natin is, tingnan natin kung sinong mga tumama sa question number 9. Ang sabi ni Nicole, 40,000. Ang sabi ni Christopher, 445,000. Ang sabi ni Ralph, 42,000. Ang sabi ni Jocelyn, 8,630. Ang sabi ni Jeanette, 235,420. So, ang tamang sagot po is 445,380. Ayan. So, times lang po natin yung 12% sa carrying amount. So, ang tumama po is C. So, yun ang tumama. For the question number 9. Tingnan natin. Wow, tama si May. Sino pa yung isa? Tama si CJ. Very good. Tama si Jenny. Si RG. Yeah. And si Kenzel. Yeah. Tama naman pala si Kenzel. Gano lang. Nagpapahumble lang. Joke. Joke lang, Kenzel. Ganyan talaga ang mga accountants eh. Yung iba humble. Joke lang. Joke lang ulit. Sorry. So let's go guys to question number 10. So question number 10, pwede nyo po sigurong i-compute ulit para dun sa mga nabilisan kanina. Pero hindi nyo po yan mako-compute sa, sa calculator. Sorry. So, mahirap din po mag-interpolate. Siguro kung kailangan nyo ng mga isang araw, no? Or isang oras para dun sa mga mabilis mag-interpolate. Gamitin nyo lang po yung Excel. Compute the IRR. Yun na po yung sagot. So, wala po akong solution dito. So, ang sagot po sa question number 10 is Project B since it has a higher IRR. And for that number 11, ang sagot po is 21.91. And number 12, ang sagot po is 28.02%. Don't worry kasi ipopost ko naman itong answer sheet doon sa website. So, after nitong event, ipopost ko yung slide para mabalikan ninyo. And again, ang sabi ko nga, sorry guys, kasi hindi nyo talaga siya makakompute using manual calculator. Mahirap. Sige, tingnan natin anyways kung sino yung mga tumama. Para naman may thrill. Oh, 21.91. Tama si Christopher Talaga, tope Aha, let's see yung iba. Sino si Kay? Tama din si Kay. Ayan. Siguro nag-ano kayo, nag-excel kayo, no? So mahirap pong i-interpolate yung IRR using manual calculator. So you need to use Excel. So dahil hindi naman to board exam, binigyan ko kayo ng question na na IRR. Ayan. Marami namang tumama so far. Tingnan natin yung iba. Ayan, sayang, di siya nag-round si Luna. Kaya lang automatic po kasi nagko-compute yung system. So hindi po siya mamamark na correct. And of course, na-announce naman po natin and na-mention natin dun sa quiz na 2 decimal places lang. Sayang. Pero at least alam mo yung yung process, Luna. Don't worry, wag ka masaktan. Joke lang. Ayan, si Rose, tama din. Si Edelo. Ayan, tama si Edelo. And si RG. Ayan. So yung tumama siguro is alam nila na na hindi siya mako-compute using normal calculator. So yung question number 5, tingnan natin Question number 5. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mga sumagot ng letter ni Kenzel. None of the above. Plus the amortization of the difference. Plus or minus. Tingnan natin So explain mo nga Kenzel kung bakit kung bakit mali din yung yung question yung choice letter B. Yan, para naman ma-enlighten mo kami. Bigyan natin ng floor si Kenzel. Kenzel, dahil maaga tayong natapos, bigyan kita ng floor. Explain. 8:14 pa lang, tapos na tayo eh. Minadali ko kayo eh. Okay. So, balikan natin ngayon yung question number 5. Number 4. Number 4 ba yung number 5? Yan. Cancel. Waiting for your explanation. Ano po ba sagot sa percentage? Ang sagot po sa percentage is ano, 21.91 and 28.02%. Yan. Yun po ang sagot. Okay? So sa number 5, Cancel, it's your floor. Para explain mo sa amin. Ayan, assignment mo yan, Cancel ha. Anyways, ang sagot po natin is letter C. So let's check guys kung sino yung yung mga tumama for the kung sino yung mga nanalo for this event. Ayan, tingnan natin. I-unmask natin yung yung answers ninyo. Unti-unti nating i-unhide. Aha, may nag-failed. Ano lang yan? Sariling status ko lang yan. Ayan. Ito na. Isa na lang. Basahin natin. Okay. So, si Nicole. So, si Nicole, 4%. Si Maria, 20%. Si Christopher, 76%. Christopher, so far highest. Si Ralph, 8%. Si Kay, nagtatago sa pangalang Kay, 48%. Si Janelle, 24%. Si Patricia, 12%. Si Cokes, 4%. Si Leia, 36%. Si Jocelyn, 8%. Ayan. Congrats na ba? Congrats na ba agad, Tupe? Ayan. Si Leia, 0%. Siguro, nag-experiment lang siya or nagpamali. Baka ayaw niyang manalo, no? Ayan. Alam ko naman matatalino kay lahat. Don't worry. Ayan. And si nagtatago sa pangalang Blanco, 16%. Si Shinette, 8%. Si Jeril, 40%. Si Chitanda, 8%. Si Mary Grace, 28%. Si Baby Jane, 16%. Wow, congrats na ba talaga, Christopher? Wala pang ibang highest Si Loleben, 40%. Si Marilu, 4%. Vin, 64%. Si Kay, 48%. Si Trisha, 20%. Si Joanna, 20%. Si John Lloyd, 20%. Si Rachel, 16%. Si May, 56%. Nagtatago sa pangalang Blanc ulit, 28%. Si A27K89C0, 8%. Si Lala, 16%. Si Ivy, 4%. Yun lang, Christopher. May 76% na. Magta-tie break na ba tayo ngayon? Yung nakalagay po dito sa libro ko po sa IA1. Oh. Nag-review talaga si Cancel, no? May basis. Anyways, balikan ko yung Cancel. Pwede naman nating i-recompute kung ano. Matatagalan lang kasi tayo pag in-explain ko pa. Ayan. Si Elda, 76%. Si Pianggots, 12%. So far, ang winning po is si Magdula Elda, ang ating previous accounting quiz show winner. And si Christopher. Ayan. Tingnan natin sa dulo kung meron pang mas tataas sa kanila. Kung hindi, magta-tie break po tayo. Para magamit naman natin yung tie-breaking question natin. Matagal na natin hindi nagagamit eh. Ayan. Medyo exciting yung tie-breaking eh. Pianggots, 12%. Luna, 36%. Nakikita po ba ninyo yung result? Naka-share screen ba ako ng Excel? Ayan, okay. And then si CJ, 64%. Si Missy, 36%. Mapapansit ka na ba, Christopher? Si Jenny, 28%. Si Rose, 56%. Si Rhea, 16%. Si Kevin, 40%. Si FLB, 28%. Si Edelo, 44%. Ay, sayang. Kala ko magta-tie breaking na tayo. Si RG po is 96%. And si Cancel is 56%. Kala ko may tie breaking na. Pinakaba mo kami, Tupe Okay. Anyways, congratulations RG again. Ang pagbabalik ni RG. na 96%. Saan ka na mali, RG? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung saan na mali si RG. Hide ko lang saglit para makita natin kung saan na mali si RG. Project A. Hindi. Sorry. Saan ka na mali? Sa number 3. Hindi. Sa number 4 pala. Sorry. Okay. So, ano yung question number 4? Bakit nagpamali ka? Baka sinadya mo lang to, RG, ito. Okay. Okay. Ano po siya? For the question number 4, origination fees po. Yung direct origination cost, yun yung nai-incur ng mismong lender. Okay? Alright. Meron pa po bang question or clarification? Before natin i-end yung event. Ayan. Baka di ko malipat. Ayan. Ano po question doon? Yun po yung question. Hindi ko pala na-share. Sorry. Ang question number 4 po is the origination fees received from the borrower are called direct origination costs. Ayan. Hindi po, kasi yung direct origination cost is iba po sa origination fees na nare-receive sa borrower. Okay? Parang kapag nag-loan ka, multiply by, for example, ang gusto nung nagpapautang is 5% bayaran mo or 5% i-deduct agad dun sa loan mo. Yun po yung origination fees. Different po yun sa direct origination cost na, for example, cost ng evaluation ng mga loan. Yun po yung nai-incur ng nagpautang. Okay? Ng lender. Anyways, congrats again, RG. And ang pagbabalik ni RG. Yan. Yun po ang team natin for this 11th accounting quiz show. Medyo na busy siguro si RG from the previous weeks. So ngayon lang siya nagbalik ulit. Yan. And I'm happy again to see you, RG, no? Sir, paki-explain po yung IRR para malaman po yung tamang solution. Yung IRR po is wala pong solution na ma-share ako sa inyo. Just use Excel file. So siguro explain ko dito, no? Let me share lang yung Excel file ko. Okay. Excel file. Share natin. So for example, ito po yung mga cash flow natin. Year 1. Year 0, Year 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait lang. So for example, meron kang expenditure or initial outlay na 400,000. Ayan. And then sample lang to, guys, So just compute yung IRR using this. Ayan na po, 11%. Ganun lang po. Wala po tayong manual computation. Dahil mahirap pong i-interpolate yan. Although pwede naman ma-compute sa using manual calculator or scientific calculator. Pero medyo matagal po. Hindi po siya sasakto dun sa event natin. Ayan. So pinahirapan ko talaga kayo dyan para mamali naman kayo. Baka kasi i-perfect ninyo yung mga previous questions. Okay na? IRR po na formula yung ginamit ko. Anyways, again, congratulations, RJ. And I'm happy to see you again on this accounting quiz show. Again, guys, see you on the next accounting quiz show. Bye-bye. PM ka na lang, cancel. IRR po is internal rate of return. Ayan. Bye, guys. Good night. See you again on the next accounting quiz show. Thank you, Christopher. Thank you, Kenzel. Thank you, RG.